If you want to be a millionaire, watch this. In my last video, I said this. Compound interest. So think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill. The more it rolls down this hill, the larger it's going to get. So the sooner you start, the more you will benefit. This is so good. Imagine your money, making money. And I really don't think the significance of the term compound interest really came through. So I thought I'd make this short, dedicated video to really bring this term compound interest to life. If you're new here,
welcome.
I'm new here too, and it would really help me out if you subscribed. Okay, so by definition, compound interest is the interest that you earn on top of your interest. And this means not only is your investment growing over time, but it's also growing at a faster rate. And I mean, I can sit here and talk all day about compound interest, but let's cut to the chase and put some numbers behind it. Let's say you put down an initial investment of £1,000 into an account, which gives you approximately 7% of interest a year, and you put that away for 5 years. With an interest rate of 7% a year, at year 5, that initial £1,000 will have grown to £1,402 roughly, earning you a total of £402 of interest. Now let's look at the same example if we were to compare it to simple interest. So you take this £1,000, put it away into an account, don't touch it for 5 years, and each year you earn 7% of interest. Per year you'll earn £70, so at the end of year 5 your initial £1,000 investment will be worth £1,305. So if you compare this to the interest earned from the earlier example where we use compound interest, the difference between these two is £52. So you're actually getting £52 more interest by using compounding rather than simple interest. And bear in mind, this is if you don't touch that £1,000 and you've just put it away for 5 years, you didn't think about it. And I mean, £52 is pretty nice, but stay with me here. This £52 is based on the interest you'll gain by just leaving the money there, not doing anything, not adding to it. Now, the beauty of compound interest is that its power increases even further when you make more frequent deposits. So, for example, if you were to add £100 each month to this £1,000 over the 5 years, at the end of year 5, you'd have a total of £8,303. Also, the power of compound interest increases significantly over time. So let's say you continue to add £100 each month, and instead of 5 years, you do this for 10 years. After the 10 years, that investment will be worth £18,500. What? And listen, if you do that for 20 years, your investment will be worth a whopping £53,000. Can you believe that? This is why investing in stocks and funds is so powerful. The money you put into your pension also works in the same way, and that's why you need to start as early as possible. If you're putting that same money away in a bank account or savings account that gives you no or little interest for the same amount of time, so 20 years, so that's £1,000 plus £100 every month for 20 years, that would give you just £25,000. That's less than half, hun. And so this is why you need to start early. And of course, this is a hypothetical example, but it really isn't unrealistic. It really brings to life the power of compound interest. I have a calculator linked in the description bar below. Play around with the numbers. Trust me, it's so much fun. And if there's just one thing you do after watching this video, please start putting money away into a pension pot. Your future self will thank you. Bye!